Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel creativegraphicz.com. And let's see what I brought for you guys today. Today we going to make this amazing rolling typography animation using brand new Filmora 12. Only using this single effect. Before going to the video, please like, share, subscribe and turn on notifications for my day-to-day update. So let's go to the video. Okay guys, you can see I already add some images to this. So I made these images using Photoshop, also you can make your own. Also, you can make this in Filmora too. Okay, next I add this image to the timeline. And increase the duration to 10 seconds. Then I go to the transform and increase the image scale. Then I create a keyframe from the start and move this image up. Then go to the end, and move again this image down. Okay, now it looks like this. Then export this project. Now I delete this layer and add second image to the timeline. Then I create the same animation for this layer. Also, I export this project as well. Then I add the exported video to the Filmora and delete the old images. Okay, now I add this clip to the timeline. Then I go to the Effects tab and search the BCC lens correction. Then I add it to this layer. Okay, now it looks like this. So then I go to the effect settings, select the correction, and change the correction value to -100. Okay, I hide this layer, for now. So next I add my second clip to the timeline. Then I add a lens correction effect to this layer. Then I go to the effects settings and change the correction value to 10. Then scroll down and select vertical perspective. And I change it to 45. Then move it up. Now it gives an angled look. Then I select the layer and take a copy, and paste it on the top layer. Then I go again to the vertical perspective setting and change it to -45. Then drag it down like this. After that, unhide this layer. Then I adjust this layer a little bit like this. Okay, now we want to scale this layer, so I go to the correction settings, and select Scale X. Then I adjust the value like this. So I do the same thing for second layer. Okay, it's done. Let's add some shadow for this. First, I select this layer and enable drop shadows. Then I set the angled value to 0, the color to black, and keep the default settings. So I do the same thing for second layer. Okay guys, now it looks like this. So let's add some shadows for these layers too. So I go to the stock media and select black color. Then I add it to the timeline. Then unlink the scale and adjust it like this. Then I go to the mask and select this mask. So you can easily copy my settings for this. Okay, then I get a copy of this layer and paste it here. Then I adjust it like this. Okay guys, it's all done with our animation. Let's see how it looks. So guys, finally, you can see all layers moving in the same direction. So let's make the middle layer moving the opposite direction. So select the middle layer and click speed. Then select reverse. Okay, now it looks like this. Okay guys, this is the how to make amazing seamless typography animation using Filmora 12. So if you want to learn more like these Filmora tutorials, please like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more tutorials like this, and also leave a comment your idea about this video. So see you guys in the next vid. Take care and peace.